Open, open, open. Hat shop, my favorite. Look at the hats. Back in 5 minutes, he says.